Hello, today we will guide you through how to change currency on Yahoo Finance. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to switch the display currency for a watch list, so prices and values show in the unit that makes the most sense to you. Start by opening your web browser and going to finance.yahoo.com. If you use Yahoo Finance to track your holdings or follow stocks, it helps to be signed in so your watch lists and preferences are available, but you can still follow along to see where the setting lives. On the home page, look toward the upper left area of the navigation bar for Portfolio or My Portfolio. This is where Yahoo Finance groups your watch lists and any portfolios you've created. Move your mouse over My Portfolio to reveal the drop-down menu. On touch devices, a tap opens the same menu. From that menu, select a watch list to work with. You might see something like Sample Watch List, or you can choose any list you actively use. The currency setting you're about to change applies to the list you open, so it's important to be inside the specific watch list where you want the change to take effect. Once the watch list loads, look for the settings control. It typically appears as a gear icon near the watch list title or along the top right of the list. Click it to open the customization panel. Inside settings, find the currency option. It will likely show US dollar, USD, by default. Click the drop-down to open the full list of available currencies. You can scroll to browse or type to quickly filter and locate your preferred currency. Choose the one you want to use as the display currency for this watch list. After selecting your currency, confirm the change by clicking Save. The watch list will update to reflect your new choice. Prices, changes, and totals that Yahoo Finance can convert will now display in the currency you selected. Keep in mind that some quotes still reference their native exchange pricing, but the watch list view will present converted values where available, so comparisons are easier at a glance. If you manage multiple watch lists, repeat this process for each one, since the setting is saved per list. If the update doesn't appear right away, refresh the page to reload the data. Also note that exchange rates are based on the latest available FX data and can shift slightly over time, so totals may vary by small amounts. That's it. You've successfully changed the currency on Yahoo Finance, making your watch list clearer and more consistent with how you track your investments.